Good evening. Today we shall prepare one of the finest classics in the bartender's repertoire, the Negroni, a drink defined by its perfect balance of bitterness and sweetness. You will require equal parts of 3 key spirits, 30 milliliters of gin, 30 milliliters of Campari, and 30 milliliters of sweet vermouth. A Negroni is built on precision. We start by filling a mixing glass with plenty of ice. We want the cocktail chilled to perfection, without excessive dilution. In go the spirits, the vibrant red of the Campari meeting the botanical notes of the gin. Now we stir, a gentle, controlled motion for about 30 seconds. This allows the flavors to marry while achieving that signature silky texture. Finally, we express a fresh orange peel over the glass to release those bright citrus oils. Strain into a chilled rocks glass, add your orange twist, and there you have it. The perfect Negroni. Sophisticated, bold, and timeless. Cheers.